Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace tie rod ends. First, gather your tools, including a jack stands, and a tie rod end puller. Safety is paramount, so ensure your Dodge Ram 1500 is securely supported on a level surface with jack stands. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout the entire process. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth repair. To begin, loosen the lug nuts on the wheel, then safely raise your truck and remove the wheel completely. Next, carefully measure and record the exposed thread length on the old tie rod end. This is crucial for initial alignment. Then, remove the cotter pin and castle nut. Use a tie rod end puller to separate the old tie rod end from the steering knuckle. Now, thread the new tie rod end onto the tie rod, carefully matching the exposed thread length you recorded earlier. This step helps maintain your vehicle's alignment. Insert the new tie rod end into the steering knuckle. Secure it firmly with the castle nut and torque it to the manufacturer's specification, typically around 65 foot-pounds, ensuring it is tight and safe. Finally, reinstall the wheel, lower your Dodge Ram 1500, and tighten the lug nuts to their specified torque. While you can perform a quick visual check of the toe-in, it's absolutely critical to schedule a professional wheel alignment immediately after replacing your tie rod ends. This ensures proper steering, tire wear, and overall vehicle safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.